Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a welding manager and I work in quality control here at Wirecloth Man. So I've been with Wirecloth Man for 15 years and my journey has really grown over time. I started off with just doing inventory and assisting with quality control, and now it's moved me into a larger field where I'm able to put my skills and my use as welding manager and to head up quality control. As a welding manager, I make sure that the welded mesh meets the specifications of our customers. From start to finish, me and the team of the welders will make sure that the products meet the specifications outlined on customer orders or through blueprints, and making fine tweaks and adjustments here and there to make sure that a final product is what they're looking for. So when we get products through the door, that's when I put my quality control hat on and I make sure that each part meets the specifications for the customer based off of a blueprint that will be supplied. We constantly are getting different products through the door, which then allows me to use my skills as quality control to just take a close look at each product, and it just keeps the day moving along. Favorite thing I enjoy working here at Wirecloth Man is the teamwork that we all have. We have a lot of different guys, a lot of different backgrounds, a lot of different skills, but we work as a team because we all have one objective, and that's to get the product through the door. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or to reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.